Hi everybody. Sorry, I'm just laughing at me and my sister. Right, Joanna's prepared this, Jo. We call her Jo. And it's a kit, so she hasn't made it, it's a kit. But she's showing you what you can do with it. And the focal point obviously is our picture. And this beautiful brooch, which is movable. It's stunning. Have you seen how that's arched? It's quite arched. So, I mean, it's gorgeous, absolutely stunning. She's done a really good job. It's the first time she's ever tried to put anything together, and she's just doing it as a display. So now what I'm going to do is just going to work through things. So that's the brooch. Okay, then these are double-sided, which I like about them. But you can use them on stick pins. So there's those. And then she's putting a cluster, the cream cluster. Some paper flowers. These are the paper ones, but they're very firm, and you can spray them, the roses. And she's... Oh, do you know what? I thought you'd cut that then. I only saw that bit there.
No.
I was thinking, no. So what she's done is she's put it there as a decoration. I like her way of thinking. So there, and there's actually enough to go around the whole of the picture. So you've got that if you want it. To make it like this. Oh, you've taped it on. She taped it on to make it look right. So that's all, she taped it on. I didn't see it there. I was thinking how she got that to stick.
It won't stay otherwise.
No. So that's to frame the picture, and then obviously you can use that trimming, which then goes like that. And that's what she was showing. So I'll leave my sister to undo all of that. So you've enough there, plenty to go around that picture, and possibly make a small flower as well. So she's put some of these in, which are the appliques. So it's beige and cream basically, and a large doily. So she's put that. I like that one, it's pretty. I didn't know if you wanted to do that other one. There's one similar to this, I'm sure I saw it.
Same colour.
It's underneath that lot. That beige one there, see it?
This?
No, lower.
This?
Lower. Oh, no. No, it's not what I thought. No, that's a prettier one. It's quite nice, and all the colours match actually. So she's chosen a good one there. So then she's put some of this in, obviously, which you can use and can make a flower. Also, you can cut these or add trimmings to them, and you can make them into smaller flowers if you're doing fillers. So that's that one. And that one. Jo, just get some of your flat beaded string.
Yeah, that's the only thing I haven't got actually.
Yeah, no, we're just putting it in. They don't have to use it. I'm just saying, just so we've got a bit of beaded string for them. This, she's chosen this. This is one of my all-time favourite laces in the Goupier. It's absolutely stunning. Do you want some scissors, love? That'll do. Ta, lovey. So we're just going to put some beaded string in for you. But this is just gorgeous. So she's done a really good choice. I love that one. I like that one. And the one that looks like a leaf. That's really nice as well. And there's plenty there for you to go all the way around. So that's really pretty. I love that. Plus you can cut these out. So you can cut these out individually and put them around the frame, whatever you want to do. And there's some more of the Nottingham. This is our Nottingham lace that we sell. We have this in white, pink, powder blue and cream. We sell all of these trims anyway. So that's that one. Like that. And then the cream, it's like a buttercream to me, isn't it? Like a buttercream. Of the, yeah, what do I call it? No. Pleated trim. Pleated ribbon. Couldn't think of what it was bloody called. So there's plenty there as well. And look, it does make an awesome flower. If you want, you get several flowers out actually. Then we've chosen this fabric. And there's a nice big piece. Top quality. And it's quite chunky. But it's really nice. And that's the board underneath. So you can use it as a plant like she showed you. Or you can actually hang it that way. But there's plenty there to cover it. In fact, you've enough to do that. Oh, I can't do it with these bloody nails, Jo. And then you can do something else, another one. Won't I? So you have enough fabric there to do 2 projects. You have enough of everything to do 2 projects. So that's really nice kit, and she's done really well with that. So there you go. That is the kit. I'm going to load this up now, and I'm sure Jo will be back with some more. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.